Hey. You're so close up. Snuggle girl. How are you doing? No scratching. Your nails are too long for that. No. What do you think? Hi. Come up here so we can see you. Hi. Oh, thank you. Kisses. Hi. Hi. You have kisses for me? Thank you. Hi, pretty lady. No! You are so busy. Good, gentle. Good job. Do you need to go in? Yeah.